in today's class. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Now, what is ones, tens, and hundreds? So what do you mean by ones when somebody asks you these many ones, or these many tens, or these many hundreds? What are they? What are they? You can read, and you can tell me. Athab, can you tell me what is ones, tens, and hundreds? What do you mean by ones? When I write the number in front of you, like in the given, if you can check here, if you can see here, okay, here the number 382. How do we read this number? We read this number as 382. Correct? Correct? Am I right? 382. Correct? So when we read this number, but how do we able to read this number? We should know the position of each number here. Correct? So ones, tens, and hundred, what are they? They are the position of digits in a large number. Correct? So in a large number, these are the digits, and you have to tell the position. So it determines at what particular place a particular digit is stationed. Correct? So the order of the digit is very important. See, this is 3, this is 8, and this is 2. Everybody can see 382. And above this, what is written? Ones place. This is my tens place, and this is my hundreds place. Okay, so if I ask you in this number, which digit is at ones place? Which one is it? It's 2. Similarly, which digit is at tens place? Which one is it? It's 8. And which one is at hundreds place? It is 3. Okay, so 382. This is how we read a number. Okay, so 3 hundreds, 8 tens, and 2 ones. So in 382, we have 3 hundreds, 8 tens, and 2 ones. Correct? Shreya, you understood? Shreya, you understood this? Very good. Athar, you understood this? Okay. Okay. And Adrika, you got this? Okay, so it's a 3-digit number. So we have 3 places, and we always start from this side, which is my right hand side. This is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. Correct? So the order is very important. So starting from the right of the number, moving forward towards the left, we have to read the number. Okay, so from right to left. So 2 ones, 8 tens, 3 hundreds. Okay, I hope this is clear. 382. Good. So let's move to the next one. Now, what do you mean by place value? Okay, this is my place. Okay, so place value, this is my place. Like now I'm taking another example here, which is 700, 3 tens, and 5 ones. Correct? Now 5 is 1 digit, which is at ones place. 3 is 1 digit, which is at tens place. And 7 is 1 digit, which is at hundreds place. Correct? So we know what their places are. Somebody asks you, Shreya, if I ask you, what is the place of 3? Shreya, what is the place of 3? In 735, what is the place of 3? Okay. You can you type in the chat box? That would do better if your mic is not working. Can you type? Yes. 30. Okay, so 30, okay, 30 is the place value. You told me the place value. And what I ask you? I asked you the place. So place is tens. Place value is 30. Correct? Okay, Shreya? Place is tens. See, if I keep this 5 here, so this is my ones place. Correct? And this 3 is at tens place. And this 7, it is at hundreds place. So if somebody asks you, what is the place? So you have to check where it is placed. So 3 is placed at tens. So place is tens. Place is tens. And what I'm going to teach you here, it's the place value. So place value and place are different. Remember, okay? Place value and place are different. Place is where it is stationed, and place value is what is the value of the digit there. So now you said 5. 5 is at ones, right? So when any number is at, any digit is at ones place, we simply multiply that digit with 1. So 5 ones are 5. We know this. 5 into 1. 5 multiply 1 is 5. So what is the place value of 5? 5. Correct? Okay. Now if you move on to the next one, which is tens place. Okay. So what is the digit? Digit is 3. And we know the place is tens. So now we are going to multiply it with 10. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 10. Athar, 3 tens are? Athar, 3 tens are?
Three tens are
3 tens are 3 tens are, if I multiply
30.
30. Very nice. So 30 is the place value of 3. Okay, in the number 735. Correct. Now, Adrika, similarly, if I move to the next one, so 7 is at 100th place. Right. So what will be the place value of 7? What will be? We are going to multiply it with,
700.
yes, tell me.
700.
Very good. 7 multiplied with 100 will give me 700. Very nice. Okay. So 700, 30 and 5. What are they? They are the place value of digit 7, 3 and 5 in number 735. Correct? Is this much clear? Everyone, show me the thumbs up. Show me thumbs up like this. Everybody got it, right? Wonderful. Okay. So we understood what do you mean by place and place value. Now you understand both are different things. Place is different, place value is different. Okay. So next time when we have next class, I'll ask you in randomly. Then you should be able to answer me. Okay. Chal. Next move to the next one, which is called face value. So one is called place value, one is called face value. Everybody know what is a face? What is a face? Atha, what is face? Show me your face. If somebody asks you, show me your face. How do you look? This is my face. This is my pretty face. Right? Everybody has a pretty face, right? All of you are looking so pretty. Everybody has a pretty face. So this is our face. Similarly, what is the face of a number? If I ask you any number, 165, do you see the screen? Here the example is 165. 5 is at 1's place, 6 is at 10's place, and 1 is at 100's place. Now tell me, Shreya, what is the face of 6? What is the face of 6? How does it look like? How does it look like, Shreya? What is the face of 6? This number 6, it has a face. And how does the face look like? Show me. Bring it closer. Yes, it is 6 only. Yes, correct. So that means what 6 looks like 6. Similarly, 5 looks like 5. And similarly, 1 looks like 1. So what should be their face values? Their face value should be the number itself. Like for 5, it will be 5. For 6, it will be 6. And for 1, it will be 1. Is everybody clear here? So that means face value of any digit in any number will be the same. Will be the same. For example, Adrika, you tell me in 309, Adrika, you tell me in 309, what is the face value of 0?
0.
Very good, very good. And Athav, you tell me in the same number 309, what is the place value of 0? Place value of 0. Athav will tell me. Athav, look at this number. I have written this number 309. Do you see this number? Huh.
10.
Yes.
10.
What will be 10? Okay, Athav is telling me that this is 10. So Athav, I just told you tens is the place. Okay. And ones is the place for 9. Similarly, hundreds is the place for 3. But I asked you place value. So when we say place value, what do? We take the digit, okay, and we multiply it with that place, and the place is 10. Now you tell me, Athar, 0 multiplied by 10 is how much? Athar, 0 multiplied by 10 is how much? 0 multiplied
0.
with 10. How much? 0. Very good. So that means the place value of 0 is 0. The place value of 0 is 0. And the face value of 0 is also 0. So you keep 0 anywhere. You keep 0 anywhere. The place value and face value of 0 will always be 0. Because when we multiply any number with 0, even we multiply 1 with 0, we'll get 0. We multiply 10 with 0, we get 0. We multiply 100 with 0, we always get 0. That means the place value and face value of 0 is always 0. Everybody got it? Got it? Show me thumbs up. Thumbs up. Place value and face value is clear. Very nice. Very good. Okay, let's move to the next one. Now, this is the example for you people. Okay, I'll not tell you the answer. You have to tell me. Okay, so here the question is find the face value. Now, you have to read the question very properly. What is it? What are they asking? Face value of each digit in the number 327. Okay, so if I'm writing the number here, 327, they're asking you what is the face value of 7, what is the face value of 2, and what is the face value of 3. So one by one, you people are going to type in the chat box and give me the answer. Okay, so first question is face value of 3. Quickly, give me the answer in the chat box. All of you, face value of 3. Face value of 3 in the number. Okay, very nice. I got the answer correct. Yes. Very good. Next one. I'm waiting. Okay. Okay, Atika is answering me for all. Very nice. Very nice. Shreya. Very good. Wonderful. Give me the answer for the other two as well. Okay, Shreya? Give me for 2. Give me for 7. Athar, are you able to type in the chat box? You're raising your hand. Do you have any doubt? No. So you're not answering me? Okay, you speak up. If you're not able to type in the chat box, give me the answer. Speak up. Tell me.
Okay.
Okay, face value of 3.
I don't know.
Face value of 3. I just taught you, right? Face value. This is my face. My face value is me only. So what is the face value of 3? It will be same. It will be same, which will be 3. Which will be 3. Okay? Athar, now tell me what is it for 2?
Same.
What is same?
2, 2.
2. Very good. And what is it for 7?
7 will be same.
Very good. 7 will be 7. That's what I taught you. I just told you, right? That the face value means it's same, whatever the digit is. 3 means 3, 2 means 2, and 7 means 7. Okay, it's same. Okay, so that means 3 is 3, 2 is 2, is 7. I hope this is clear. Okay, so you know face value of every digit in a number is the digit only, that number only. Okay, we don't need to do anything, just write down the value. Okay, now, so see, the face value of 3 is 3, the face value of 2 is 2, and the face value of 7 is 7. That means the number itself. Okay, now the next example is you have to find the place and face value. Now you see, reading the question is very important. Okay, reading the question is very important. Find the place and face, both. So they're asking you about both face and place value of each digit in the number 946. In the number 946. Can you do it for me, everybody? You must be sitting with your notebooks and a pencil in your hand, right? So now note down this question, 946, and tell me the place value and face value of all the 3 digits here. Quickly. Come on, do it. Athar, you are roaming here and there. I can see you. You sit at a place, take a notebook, take a pencil in your hand, and then do this question. Athar, are you doing it? I can see Adrika and Shreya are doing it. Athar? Everybody know?
Please do sit in a particular place and do the work.
Okay. Adrika has done it. Okay, Adrika. Adrika, you can speak out. Okay, I can't read it. Okay, you speak out. Tell me, what is the face value of 9?
9.
4?
4,
6.
6.
Okay, good. Okay, now Shreya is still doing. Let her do. Then I'll ask her the place values. Okay, you wait, Adrika. Shreya done. Very good. Okay. Okay, Shreya, can you tell me the place values? Okay, show me. I'll try to see. Or otherwise, you can type in the chat box if you're done with them. Okay, I can see. Okay. Okay, show me thumbs up when I read it. Okay. 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 Athar. Okay, you found a place. Very good. Now I can see you are doing it. Very good. Do it. Note down the number 946. Note down the number. 946. Very good boy. Very good. Now Athar will tell me what are the place values of 9, 4, and 6. Okay, Athar? Come on, do it. Do it. How did I tell you?
46.
Yeah, Shreya is back. Okay. Tell me quickly, Athar. What is the place value of 6? Place value of 6 will be?
6.
6 will be 6. Sure. Okay. So it is 6. Okay. Athar told that it is 6. And we all agree with Athar that it is 6. Okay. Because we know when we multiply 6 with 1, we get 6. Good. Very good job. Okay. Now what is the place value of 4? Shreya, are you able to do it now?
40.
40.
40.
Very
40.
good. 40, 40. Wonderful. Very good. And for 9, Adrika, can you tell me? What is it for 9?
900.
900. Both of you gave me the correct answer. Very good. Because we know it's 946. So 940 and 6. See, the number itself has the place values, right? 946. So 900 is the place value for 9. 40 is for 4 and 6 is for 6. Very good. I think Shreya also gave me the same answer, right, Shreya? Yes, show me thumbs up. Yes, show me thumbs up. You gave me the correct. Very good. 940 and 6. Wonderful job. Very good. I can see that you people are very smart. Okay. You are able to do. See, digits are 946. Their place values are according to the places they are in. Okay. So we know that it is at hundreds place. So 9 is at 100 place, 4 is at tens place, and 6 is at ones place. So that's why. So you see the face values are same. You see that? The face values are same. 9, 4, and 6. But the place values, they vary as per the places they are put in. It is at ones place, this is at tens place, this is at hundreds place. So that's how the place value are changed for them. Okay, so everybody got this, right? Wonderful job. Very good. So let's move to the next one. Another example, but it's looking a bit different. Okay, so I want you people to try it on. Okay, I'll help you. Definitely, I'm here to help you. But I want you people to give it a try first. Okay, so I'll read it. I am a 2-digit number. So how many digits are there? 2. Okay. My ones digit is 2. And my tens digit is 3 more than the ones digit. What number am I? Which number am I? Would you people like to try? Yeah? So I'm giving you a minute to try. Okay. So I'm a 2-digit number. I'm a 2-digit number. Okay. So read the question properly. The whole key to give the correct answer is to read the question properly. Okay. So it is a 2-digit number. 2-digit. Then the ones digit is given. And then something is given about the tens digit. Okay, so if I'm 2-digit number, that means I have 2 places, right? I have, ones place and I have tens place. Sorry. Okay, so I have two places. One is tens place and one is ones place. Okay. Okay, Athar, you have any query? You raise your hand. You are done.
52.
Wow, you're a genius. Very good, wonderful. Okay, very smart boy. Okay, Adrika. Adrika, tell me I'm a two-digit number. Okay, one's digit is 2. One's digit is 2. Where should I write 2? Where should I write 2?
In one's place.
At one's place, right? Which is here. Yeah, correct. Very good. And what should I write under tens place? Read the next line. The next line says, my tens digit is 3 more than the ones digit. Okay. And ones digit is 2. Yes, Shreya, ones digit is 2. So 3 more than 2. 3 more than 2. What does it mean? 3 more than. Yes, it means 5. Okay, we have 2. Very good. You have also done it, Shreya. Wonderful. Very good. Well done. Well done. Very good. Okay, so it's 2 and 3 more. That means 1, 2, and 3. So how many are these now? If I count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 3 more than 2 is nothing but 5. So what is my tens digit? What is my tens digit? It is 5. So what is the number as answer was already given by our brilliant one, Athar? 52. Very good. So the answer is 52. I hope everybody agree. Shreya, thumbs up. Adrika, thumbs up. Other thumbs up. Wonderful job. Okay. So see, one's digit is 2. Tens place is 3 more than 2, which is 5. So the number would be 52. Correct? Wonderful job done by all three of you. Very good. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, this topic seems a bit big, right? As the name is expanded form of a number. You know what do you mean by expanded? Expansion means what? What do you mean expand? When the balloon is there is no air in it. Okay? It's nothing, right? Now what do? You blow air into it. So what happens when you blow air into it? Starts expanding. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Balloon, right? In your birthdays, when the decoration person comes and it starts blowing the balloon, so that it got expanded. That is the same thing here. We have a number and we have to write it's expanded, the bigger one, bigger form. That is called expanded form. And it's very easy. If you have understood what is place value, we just need to add the place value and we will get expanded form of any number. Okay, so for example,